The Student Resource Lab has a lot of industry standard equipment, and through any project you're trying to work on, I think that the SRL is a great resource for you to actually get your hands on a lavalier mic for the first time, or even a new lens, or try a new camera body that you've always wanted to try, whether it's testing out Canon cameras or Nikon cameras and so on. My name is Connor Metnansky. I am a senior here at Kent State University, and I'm a digital media production major. I think that the Student Resource Lab is the only way that I've been able to get any work done that I want to do as far as making content within my major. It's been a great thing for me to have access to free here on campus as a DNP student. Something great about the Student Resource Lab is that anyone working behind the counter is an expert in any of the equipment coming in and out of here, and we're always wanting to help students as far as figuring out a certain piece of equipment that they haven't used before. Students that are looking to use the Student Resource Lab can make a reservation on Check Room. They have to do this 24 hours in advance of picking up their equipment. When I go out on to do a project, I have the options of getting recorders as far as Zoom recorders or lavalier mics, or any kind of video camera I want, cinema grade cameras, or just handheld DSLR cameras. We have some great lenses here as well. We also have a Panasonic GH5 camera, which is probably the best handheld camera that we have here to offer. For students that are interested in aerial cinematography, we have drones here that are at their disposal that they can use at any time as well. For students that are interested in lighting, we have tungsten lights as well as white balance lights. For students interested in sound gear, we have boom poles as well as shotgun microphones and camera mount microphones. So as long as you're a digital media production major and you're working hands-on with this equipment, I think it's the best experience and learning tool that you can have.